me about that. But as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Future trading is very risky where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. Again, none of this is financial advice. It is currently April 27th at 7:09 a.m. in beautiful Denver, Colorado. And again, one more time, none of this is financial advice. So let's hop into it. Let's crush it today. Again, I'm kind of losing my voice, so bear with me. But we're still going to find a trade today, hopefully. It is FOMC week as well. And I hate FOMC. So stay patient, wait for A+ setups. Let's hopefully make a bag. Let everybody know that we are live. All right, we got that. Boom. Boom. Cool. We're good to go. If you guys could, make sure to start the day with a like. It would be greatly appreciated. If you're watching on TikTok, double tap that screen. If you're watching on the tube, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Follow if you're new. I go live every single morning for New York Market Open, periodically throughout the week for Asia. But yeah, again, make sure to hit that follow button if you're new. All you gotta do is join. All you gotta do is join the streams. We catch bangers. Fix this. There we go. How was everybody's weekend? What's tube? You should know what the tube is. Who we got over here? Good morning, Hopium. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, Justin. Good morning, Tony. Everybody in the TikTok watching, good morning. Team Bull, good morning. What's my tube? BrandonTrades. BrandonTrades on the tube. Trying to get out of the cycle. Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. But yeah, really for today, pre-market highs, pre-market lows is all I really care about. Not really near any supplier demand levels. I do like Russell for a potential breakout above like 28.04, so it's like 10 points away. But we got like a little 4-hour bull flag going on the Russell. So I am interested in that as well. Appreciate it. Again, if you guys are new on the TikTok, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. I go live every single morning. I'm sick today, and I'm still live. So that deserves a follow in itself. But yeah, I go live every single morning, trade New York with you guys, periodically throughout the week, trade Asia. If you guys want to check out my tube channel, BrandonTrades, I got 1,800 videos over there teaching you on how to trade. 131,000 subs, almost 132,000 subs. And then I live trade over there as well every single day. So if you guys want to tap into the tube, BrandonTrades. No, I trade NQ, ES. I'm watching Russell today. I'll trade gold if there's a setup. I like Nvidia and AMD, so I'll trade options. Really, wherever there's money, that's where you can find me. But yeah, I trade it all. How's everybody's weekend, Team Bull? It's all right, Don. Just keep those profits now. Good, you chilled. Hell yeah. We keep holding this demand on NQ as well at this 403. I think you strained your rotator cuff. I got to go back to Maryland this week. Fun stuff. I'm taking Senior Gene. Have him experience Baltimore for the first time. You had a good weekend. Good. Nice. I won't be live on Thursday. My flight leaves literally right at market open. I tried to change it to an earlier flight, but couldn't do it. GD will be here Thursday. I'll be trading Friday with Gene. I'll just be on my laptop, but we'll still be live. Yeah. We be here. It's crushed it today, squad. Again, my throat's like kind of hurting today. My voice was going in and out when I woke up. So if you hear it go in and out, that's why. But yeah, let's get this bag today. Hopefully the market gives us good opportunity. Keep in mind, it is pre-FOMC. FOMC is on Wednesday. Typically, the days before FOMC and the day of FOMC are pretty ass to trade. So, you know, if we see something, take that into consideration, maybe size down a little bit. It's typically what I do before FOMC. I'm very patient, wait for the best possible opportunity before taking a trade. But yeah, it is FOMC this week. So again, just keep that in mind. Oh, you know exactly where I'm taking Gene. It's in that area, Brian. You want to know what's funny? If you're actually talking about the same place that I'm talking about, my dad literally, he does construction. He does all of that. Like he built that entire block way back in the day. Gene's gonna have fun. See what Intel's up to. I like NVIDIA and AMD for our individuals. Oh, there you go, Brian. You know, the block. My trigger to go long would be if we got above 27542, which is the overnight high. It's kind of far away. But equally at the same time, like shorts don't look the best, I would say. We do have like a head and shoulders on the 5-minute. Shoulder, head, shoulder. So maybe our neckline is like, I don't know. How do we want to do this? Something like that, maybe. I don't know. Depends on how you draw it, but yeah, we do have a head and shoulders. Just not. We have no demand, so it's not like if we short, I have an ideal area that I would like to see us go. There's no like liquidity area, if that makes sense. So again, it is pre-FOMC. Just stay patient, see what the market offers. If it offers us something good, we take it. If not, you know, we walk away and we wait for a better opportunity. It's not uncommon before FOMC for me to not trade too. Again, that's just stats and experience in the market. What up, what up? Again, if you guys are new, take 2 seconds, hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. I go live every single morning for New York, periodically throughout the week for Asia, answer questions, call out my trades, all that good stuff. All that good stuff. If you guys are looking to get funded before market open as well, take Profit Trader, Apex, Tradeify, and Lucid. You can use code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discount. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. You can use code Brandon, all caps. Obviously, if you join these streams, they're completely free. All you got to do is follow, interact. But again, if you guys do trade with me on pretty regular basis, then just use code Brandon. Hope you guys pass your accountants, get you guys payouts. Sup, Mr. GD? GD, where you at? There you are. Sup, buddy boy? What up? Like losing my voice. My throat hurts. Fun stuff. No, you have no consistency on the evals for Apex. No consistency. There you go. You should be able to see it now. Come on, Camilla. I think so. You said it. Kind of 50-50 between longs and shorts. I mean, I would say ideally longs because, you know, we're at new all-time highs. But, you know, again, just see what the market has to offer. My throat's actually really hurting this morning. I did get an air purifier, though. I was talking about it last week. I bought one. See if I notice a difference. Yeah, that's a 5-minute chart on NQ. That's what we got pulled up. Yes, sir. Same thing on ES and NQ, you know. They both have 5-minute head and shoulders. Sure, if you zoom out, you can see it on a 30 or an hour. So it's, you know, likely a 30 or 1 hour head and shoulders. We do have demand down at 71.62 to 71.54. So I would really like it if we got down there. That's about 26 points away, 26 to like 30 points away. That would be our best bet if we're going to be looking for a bounce. But, you know, if the market opens and we start trending up, then obviously we'll just look for intraday trend entries. But yeah. Unbelievable I3LA. You left without saying bye on Friday. That's crazy. I cried when I got off because you didn't say bye. I hope you know. GD. When I come to Jersey, we're bringing Jay Dunn. We're going to make it happen. So you better have beds ready. I think you're going to need 3 more. Or a very big couch. Bet. Again, if you guys haven't, take 2 seconds, hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. I'm going to trade some options this week as well. Make sure to hit that follow button. And again, if you guys are looking to get funded before market open, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Stratify, Lucid, you guys can use discount code Brandon in all caps. It always gets you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Stratify, and Lucid. You can use code Brandon in all caps. Appreciate the follows, everybody. Even though I gotta harass you guys for the follows, I appreciate it. Also, if you guys are watching in the tube, as always, the giveaways for today depend on how many likes you guys get. So, currently got 125 people in the tube, 36 likes. The very first giveaway is at 150 likes. Usually we get around like 250, 300 people in here. So, the giveaways are completely dependent in the tube on how many likes you guys get. I'm new. I'm thinking of joining Lucid. Do you recommend? Yes, I use Lucid. I like Lucid. I'd say they're honestly pretty cheap for having no activation fee. But yeah, use code Brandon if you get an account from Lucid. Your first two, I think, are 50% off and no activation fee. So yeah, use code Brandon. Yeah, you can always buy more Lucid. They don't cap if you can, like, they don't cap if you can buy another or not. You can always buy more. What are you swinging over there? I just do everything through Trade You can, there's things like Trade Syncer, Trade Locker, I forget what it's called, where you can put everything together, but all my different, like the different firms that I use, they have like different objectives. So I don't piece them all together, if that makes sense. Like each firm I'll trade with those accounts piece together, but not all firms piece together. So I just do it all through Trade. You just make a group and then put the accounts in it when you're signed in to that firm. Let everybody on IG know that we are live. Bet. Let's crush it. Again, my throat's hurting today, but we're going to make it do. We're going to make it work. Where do you start to learn? Go onto the tube and type in BrandonTrades. I'll pop right up. I got 1,800 videos and 131,000 subs. So I do not use TradingView to trade or execute trades. I don't like it. I'll use TradingView to like teach because I don't know why people for some reason love the way that TradingView looks, but I will never use it to execute. I'll always use Tradeovator if I'm trading options, Thinkorswim. Yep, it is FOMC, everybody. So, well, FOMC week. So just take that into consideration. I'm personally going to size down. That's just what my, what's the word I'm looking for? My experience with FOMC weeks tell me to do. Oh, my throat is killing me. Good morning. Good morning. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Everybody in the tube, hit that thumbs up. If you guys are watching on TikTok, you guys want to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. I'm live over there right now as well. 1,800 videos, 131,000 subs, almost 132,000 subs. But yeah, I'm live over there as well. You get more of a full screen. You can see my order flow and you can still see my face as well. So again, the tube channel is BrandonTrades. Other than that, if you guys need accounts before market open, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Traderify, and Lucid, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discounts. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Traderify, and Lucid. Code Brandon. but market opens here in 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Let's get it. See what we can find today. If you guys ever have questions too, feel free to ask. If I'm not looking at the charts, I'll look at the questions. I do want to watch the first few minutes of market open though. Let's see. Came from TikTok. Let's go. All right, Team Bull, trade safe, trade smart. Let's get it. Keep holding this demand on NQ. See what the market offers. We have Russell coming up to that 4-hour bull flag, trying to break. We need it above 2805 for continuation. Got NQ breaking below that low. See if it can hold. Or if it just sweeps. What are you guys watching today? TikTok and Tube? What you guys got on the radar? What you got? Yep, we're watching Russell today too, everybody. Hold above 2805. We got this 4-hour bull flag that we're trying to break above. So just an uptrend entry above there. Yes, the max payout with Apex is six payouts, but equally, if you get to the 6 payouts, that's like 15K in payouts that you can get spread across multiple accounts. Trying to push above this bull flag right now on Russell. You're watching NQ fire. ES is just pumping while NQ is pulling back. Russell's very strong this morning, which I'm assuming the Dow is going to be very strong as well. Let's see. Yep, we're watching Dow and Russell this morning. Very strong. I think Dow should break out of a bull flag as well. Let's see. Yeah. Mr. Dow's got a little bull flag on the 4-hour as well. Let's see. Get the top there. Boom. We're breaking above. So yeah, I like both Russell and the Dow. Just see if we can start holding up here and then possibly look for an uptrend entry. You would just start over Mariano. Damn, that was pumping. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Everybody watching on the tube, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up. Remember, if you're watching in the tube, the giveaways for today are all dependent on how many likes we get on the stream. So the first giveaway is at 150 likes, which is a 50K Apex account. So that's entirely on you. All depends on the lights that we get on the tube. Don't you just love the divergence, GD? It's because of the Russell and Dow. Just nuked off the open. And then AMD's taking a shit. Okay, we close above those bull flags. And Q's still very weak. It's because AMD's dropping pretty significantly. Stay patient, everybody. Again, A+ setups only. See if we can get this entry on the Dow. It's starting to come down a little bit on the Dow and the Russell. Nvidia is strong. I do want to watch a video today, everybody, above 212.10. Break and retest. 212.10. I want to catch some like massive options trades. Again, if you guys haven't, make sure you hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated if you guys are new. I live trade every single morning for you guys for completely free. All you got to do is follow, join, or head on over to my tube channel, BrandonTrades, and subscribe over there, where I'm also live. We got YM pulling back into the fib. It's still just a little overextended. So not the biggest fan. I don't think there's any liquidity in the OKLO options. Or at least it used to never have liquidity. It might now, but if we're basing it off the past, I don't think it does. Then we're going to hold that 50% retracement on YM. Hit it pretty good. It's just overextended still from the moving averages. Maybe it can chill here for a little longer and let the moving averages catch up, and then we can look to take longs. Got the Russell pulling back. You can watch that 2802 level, 2800 ideally. Nvidia is rejecting off that pre-market high. Just patiently waiting, everybody. Yes, very strong. 5-minute candle close. Just RTY. Let's watch this Russell, everybody. 2802 to 2800. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. I'm going to keep saying it. I live trade every single morning for you guys. New York market open periodically throughout the week for Asia. All you guys got to do is your part by hitting that follow button and joining. That's it. That is it. Also, make sure to check out my YouTube channel, BrandonTrades, if you want a full screen view. I'm also live over there right now as well. 1,800 videos, 131,000 subs, all that good stuff. So again, if you guys want to tap into my YouTube channel, BrandonTrades, I'm live over there right now. Stan YM's not going to pull back to the level. Come on, Russell, give it to me. Why? All right, we're approaching our Russell levels. Let's watch it around here, everybody. What? Let's see. Do we have news today? 7:45 or 10? Or sorry, 9:45 or 10? No, bet. Hitting this pre-market high right here in this 50% retracement. So let's see if we can hold it. Breaking below it right now could potentially go into 2,800. If we close below, then obviously we don't care. RTY is the Russell. RTY M6 if you're actually trading it. Now remember, it's $50 a point on RTY. But currently we're breaking below the levels, so likely do not care about this. We'll see how we close on the 5-minute, but it's looking very low probability that we end up taking it. The Dow is hitting the 61.8 right now as well. Could potentially watch that and see what happens. All right. No trade on Y, or sorry, no trade on RTY. Close below both the levels. We are at VWAP. We're trying to hold it, but I don't think any trade. Actually, see how this 2-minute candle closes, because we're hitting VWAP and still kind of flirting with the 61.8. But still probably low probability we take it. And no, we're not going to take it. All right. Back to square one. No trade on the Russell. We are still holding VWAP. It's just, we didn't hold above the 61.8 or the 50% retracement, so I don't care about it. It's pretty bearish candle pullback. Ideally was looking for a continuation above that bull flag, but both YM and Russell failed the bull flag completely. So maybe it sets up a little later. We'll see. But as far as right now, no trade. We got 220 people up in the stream today on the tube. Again, if you're watching on TikTok, you guys want to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. I'm live over there right now. 132,000 subs because we're super close. 1,800 videos teaching you guys on how to trade, all that good stuff. So again, my tube channel is BrandonTrades. Everybody watching on the tube as well as the TikTok, if you guys are ever looking to get funded, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discount. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. Again, you can use code Brandon. Obviously, the streams are completely free to join. I call out all my trades start to finish, help you guys pass your accounts, help you guys get payouts. So obviously, if you're trading with me, then just make sure to use code Brandon. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. What's up, Cosmic? And good morning, everybody on the tube that I didn't say good morning to. Good morning to you. No, just because we hit a level doesn't mean we buy it right away. We always need confirmation behind it. Always need confirmation. You don't just blindly enter. Always. What do we wait for, everybody, before we take a trade? What do we wait for? What do we wait for? A plus setup. What else? What do we need at our A plus setup? Hopefully passing your eval today. Let's go. Let's make it happen. Confirmation. Exactly. Exactly. Confirmation. No confirmation means no trades. GD, this is very exciting. Yeah. There's nobody else I would rather watch this price action with. You're my best bud. We have no news at all today, everybody. Not even 10 a.m. No news Monday. Fire. What are you watching, GD? AMD is just getting slaughtered today. Staying patient, everybody. Again, it is pre-FOMC, and typically the days before FOMC and the day of FOMC is not the best to trade. So, again, keep that in mind. We wait for the best opportunity ever. Not ever, but wait for the best opportunity to take a trade, and then we take it. But yeah, I've just noticed in the past, again, I've been doing this since 2017. And just those weeks of FOMC, they're hard to trade. The technicals aren't really there. There's a lot of fake outs. There's a lot of chops. So as a result, the week of FOMC, I usually, one, don't take setups, or two, if I do, I size down. And then obviously, if you catch a trend, a small trade, small position could turn into a very big trade if you catch trend. Dow was pumping back up out of nowhere. We're going to watch the Dow again, everybody. It just had a pretty big 5-minute candle. So maybe if we can close this 5-minute candle bullish and then a pullback into the moving averages, I would consider longs. Potentially. I don't know why the Dow is pumping. Big old boner candle from the Dow. 200 points on that 5-minute candle. Let's see, MYMM6 is the current ticker. You guys take any trades yet, Team Bull? No. I like how there's 172 of you and only one person answered. I'm just not going to talk to you guys anymore. How about that? Nope. I don't want to talk to you. Disrespectful. Looks like we should possibly get this bullish 5-minute candle close on the Dow. It's looking very likely. Russell's trying to pop back up as well. ES is having a nice move back up. Think Q's getting a pretty nice candle. Really liking this Dow setup. Hopefully we can get it. We can also watch our 30-minute orbs that we're going to have on ES, NQ, pretty much everything, actually. It's got a pretty good range. Got a pretty good range. There you go. Congrats. She wins. There's a couple setups I'm watching. I like the Dow the most, but honestly, ES looks pretty good as well. If it pulls down into the 7190 level. So like 4 more points of a pullback. Yeah, sneeze. Hold on. Okay. Come on, pull back for us. Don't push yet. I don't know if we're going to get our pullback, everybody. I was watching ES too for like 7190. I'll still keep an eye on it. Yeah, spying now mainly. Also not opposed to shorting AMD on this pop up into like 339 if we can get up there. See how much these options are though. They're like a rack a piece. We'll see. 339 to 340. Or sorry, 338 to 339 on AMD. Maybe. I'll look for some puts. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Everybody watching on TikTok, find the follow button. It's at the top left, top right. Make sure to click it. Everybody watching on Tube, make sure to subscribe. If you guys are watching on TikTok and you want to tap into my Tube channel, BrandonTrades, I'm also live over there right now as well. Also live over there as well. And again, if you guys are looking to get funded, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use discount code Brandon in all caps. It always gets you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. You can use code Brandon. Obviously, the streams are completely free to join. All you gotta do is join. And yeah, if you take my trades, all I ask is that you use my code. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. Again, Brandon, all caps. That was kind of pulling back to the level that we needed to. It's close. We have our 30-minute orb on ES as well. All right, orbs are set, everybody. See what happens in this area on the Dow as well as ES. Still watching this Dow. ES is holding the level though. Trying to. See what happens at these moving averages. I'm gonna watch it on ES. ES longs don't look bad. I'd say probably the 30-minute orb just looks better. Those moving averages again. See if they buy it up right here. I'm gonna try these longs on MES, everybody. I tried them. I like to see this go into a new high day. Again, it's pre-FOMC, so smaller size. But yeah, I like these longs on MES. I think we could see a high day out of this. See if we can get this push. $71.85. Or sorry, 71.98.5. Come on. We're up a couple points right here. See if we can get this high day. Come on. Don't be gay. Come on. Give us this push in a high day. I do have a trim up there set at 98.5 if we can get up there. We don't have any sellers until we get up there too, so yeah, I think it's very realistic that we could get into that high day. Or not. Got to hold these moving averages and VWAP. We lose them, we get out. Maybe even potentially add if they hold it again. This NQ is just not helping either. But I like the structure a lot on this ES. Come on, pump it up for us. See how this 5-minute candle closes. We were up a couple points. We only needed another 1.25 points for our trim. But as long as we hold these moving averages, NQ is not looking the best, I will say that. So again, we lose these moving averages and VWAP, we simply just get out. Yeah, NQ is looking pretty weak. Still holding above. Potentially gonna have to stop out. I'm willing to add to this if we can hold this area. It's not looking like we're going to. Hold below VWAP, we get out. It's kind of like flirting with it right now. Okay, it's trying to pop back up. See if it can hold. Still no ads to this. $71.98 is still where all the sellers are too. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit right here, everybody. Very strong reclaim of this VWAP. I would still really like to see us get into this high day. So I'm gonna have my trim up there. Again, at high day. See if we can get it. I really like the structure to the upside. It's just NQ being a pain in the ass. Worst case scenario, we'll lose like 4.5 points on this. Depending on your average, 4.5, 5 points. But again, get below 71.90. We'll get out. Let's see, Russell's looking kind of good as well. Dow's just not supporting. Okay. If you guys don't like this, we're down a point. I like to give you guys that option. As always, you can take a small loss if you don't like it. My risk is below 71.90. Come on. Back into the moving averages and VWAP. Potentially gonna have to stop out here, everybody, if we break below this candle. Trying to break below it. Just flirting with the 7190 level. See if we reclaim this VWAP again. Trying to reclaim. I can't make the market do anything. I mean, the Russell still looks pretty good. We're just kind of going back and forth with this VWAP right now, trying to reclaim and then unclaiming it. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and close this. Everybody, 5-point loss. I don't think we're going to reclaim this. If we end up reclaiming it, I'll look for another entry, but it was looking good, just didn't work out. So we can always look for another entry. Just choppy, bro. We're not getting any continuation from that NQ. ES was looking really, really good too. That Russell looks like it wants it. It's all right though. Just continue to take good trades, use proper risk management. We'll wait and see if we can find another setup. And again, like I said, pre-FOMC fuckery, which is why I don't go super heavy. But yeah, we closed below it anyway, so we would have stopped out. We end up reclaiming, like I said, I'll look for another entry, but for now, the setup's invalid. It looked like it was going to work out originally, too. It was looking good. See if they reclaim it. NQ shorts don't look too bad either. I don't know. It's just super choppy right now. I'd prefer to see us if we can get back up above that VWAP and moving averages on ES to short, or sorry, to go long. This NQ wants to drop. Just wait for good opportunity. Yeah, like I said, this NQ is looking pretty bearish. Wouldn't be surprised if it drops. Just chopping a lot, chopping in the middle of the 30-minute orb now. I was really liking that ES. I really thought that ES wanted to push, but like I said, we will look for another setup if it does reclaim. It's back up above the moving averages and VWAP on ES. Definitely our best days this week to trade are going to be Thursday and Friday, for sure. Yes, NQ is starting to look bearish. Very choppy, though. Jadon's long. On what? Like, right now he's long? Interesting. I still potentially like the longs on ES, for sure. Again, maybe if we get a bullish candle close up here on the 5-minute time frame, pull back into the moving averages, test it, I would absolutely consider trying longs again. I'd say Mondays are kind of hit or miss. For the most part, Mondays are pretty good because we digest the news over the weekend, and that typically leads to nice trades. Last few Mondays haven't really been it, but we caught a really nice trade. I think it was last Monday that we caught it. But again, every day is different in the market. Every day is different. This NQ is still looking pretty weak. Maybe if we can close bearish and then pop up, I'd consider shorts. Again, if you guys are looking to get funded, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, make sure you guys use discount code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discounts. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you can use code Brandon in all caps. Always get you the best possible discounts. Obviously, the goal of these live streams is to get you guys funded, help you guys pass your evals, and get you guys payouts. So, yeah, if you guys are going to join me every day, use code Brandon. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. Use code Brandon. Oops. Yeah, it's pretty shitty price action. See what GC is doing, because you mentioned GC. It's breaking below the 30-minute orb, yeah. It's definitely breaking below it. Pretty bearish candle close. Or we're going to get a bearish candle close. Good thing we followed our risk management, though, everybody. Yes. It's getting clapped. Nothing wrong with it. I'm gonna make fun of Jadon, though. What? We have this thing, even when we take small losses, we just tell each other that we got destroyed. So I'm gonna call him later and be like, I heard you got destroyed. Anybody got questions while we're chilling? Yep, very choppy. Like I said, we took the opportunity that I saw, right, which was the longs on ES. It looked good. Ideally, I wanted to see the market go higher today. It's pre-FOMC. As I mentioned, I do not go heavy whatsoever pre-FOMC. I actually trade very, very light. So even if I do take a loss, it's like, you know, I'll wipe my ass with the loss. That's how small I'm trading before it. And, you know, if I capture a nice trade, cool, I make some money. But yeah, we took the only advantage, or the only possible setup that I saw today so far. We'll give the market a little, like another 30, 45 minutes. But the only opportunity that I saw, I took it. Didn't work out. So what? You move on. You take another trade. Is that option flow? No, this is real order flow. Your number is 12. Well, you told me before. You know 12 is my number. I got it tatted on me too. Why didn't I short NQ? Because you can have the right idea of what the market's going to do, right? Like you heard me say, I wouldn't be surprised if NQ goes lower, right? So I had the right idea, but was it an A+ setup? No. Okay. So if it's not an A+ setup, I'm not going to take it. Again, we can have the right idea of what the market's going to do. Does that mean that you take the trade every single time? No, not at all. Not at all. Bro, what is this shit? We break above the 7,200 and we hold it on ES. I'm looking for upside. Literal Hawk boner. He's getting a little limp right now, but we'll see how it closes. Close above 7198.5. Break and retest. I like it. Good morning. Good morning. Again, if you guys are watching on TikTok, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Make sure to tap into my tube channel as well, BrandonTrades, where I'm also live right now. 132,000 subs, 1,800 videos teach you on how to trade. But yeah, make sure to tap into the tube channel, BrandonTrades, if you want to learn. Yeah, this is mega gay price action. See if we get another opportunity today. Why'd you get wrecked? Again, I specifically said when we got on this stream, FOMC. All right. I've been trading since 2017. It's a very repeatable pattern every single time we have FOMC. All right. The days before are typically choppy or just don't follow technicals. So what do we do as a result? One, we don't trade if there's no setup. Two, if there is a setup, we still go very light because it's pre-FOMC. So again, what is that? 7 years I've been trading, 8 years, 2017 to 28 years. But yeah. So if that's a repeatable pattern every single time that we have FOMC, keep in mind, if you're new to this, going forward on these FOMC weeks, definitely size down or just don't trade. Because you want to know how much I lost on that trade? Lost 170 bucks. Wow. Wow, 170. Crazy. My life's not going to end over 170 bucks. That's for sure. GD, GD, GD. Give me a trade. Give me a trade in this price action. Are we going up or down? I like it. I will say with 100% certainty, the chart will go left to right. All right, let's watch these moving averages of VWAP again. See if we can hold it. If we hold it, I'll consider longs one more time. If you read right to left, I don't know. You're screwed. Falling below these moving averages and VWAP, so no entry. With Curry, I have no idea. Still like how it's holding the moving averages at VWAP. I think it's gonna push. Yep. I had a feeling they wanted to buy it up. It's just NQ is not cooperating today. NQ is diverging, making it also harder to read the market. Still think our best bet's a 30-minute orb. We are trying to pull back into the moving averages now, so let's see if they hold it. Horrific price action. But it looks like a lot of you are leaving on TikTok. So if you guys are watching on TikTok right now, I'm going to end it. I'm still going to be live on my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. So if you guys want to tap into my YouTube, again, Brandon Trades, 1,800 videos teach you on how to trade, 132,000 subs. You can see my full screen as well as my order flow. Still see my face, all that good stuff. So again, come tap into my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. I'm going to stay live over there. If not, make sure you guys are following. I'll be live maybe later, if not later today, then definitely tomorrow morning. But yeah, again, tap into my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. I'm going to stay live. All right, TikTok. Peace. All right. TikTok is lame. I still think this ES wants upside, everybody. Really liking the structure on it. Have a good one, Tommy. Still want to watch the 30-minute orb as well. It is chopping right now, but the fact that we keep holding above the moving average with the squeeze, it just increases the likelihood that price will go up. Now, does that mean it's going to? No. But it gives us a higher probability that we will go up. Now, obviously, if we close below it, it's a different story. So right now it is, definitely chopping, but equally we are still holding 8 EMA, 21 EMA, and VWAP with the squeeze, which is why I think it wants to go up. But again, does that mean that I put on a position just because I think it's going to do something? No. Right? We always want more confirmation behind it. So I still think our best bet for a trade is above the 30-minute orb. So above 7198.5. Break above it, retest it, and then we can look for longs if we even get that today. Trying to break below the moving averages of VWAP again. But I'll be back in a second, everybody. Let me use the bathroom. I'll be back. I'm very glad to see that the market still has not done anything. Went and chugged the protein shake too. But yeah, still has not done anything. Yeah, terrible price action. Terrible. Did GD leave? Did he dip? Oh, what's up? I'm gonna still stick around for another like 15 minutes. Bathroom and then chug the protein shake. Amazing price action on a Monday, everybody. Just phenomenal. Again, while we're chilling, if you guys are looking to get funded, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discounts. Also, if you guys aren't following my Instagram, BrandonTrades, highly suggest you guys do that as well. BrandonTrades on Instagram. Still think this thing wants up, personally. Ooh, I got Lucid accounts to give away too. Hell yeah. Got a rest day from the gym today too. We'll do the Lucid giveaway since they just gave me codes. I'll pick somebody before I hop off. All right, Team Bull. We're going to watch the same thing on ES. Break above the moving averages. If it can hold it, maybe a pullback, and maybe look to go long. We'll see. See if it does it. Any questions while we're chilling, everybody? Now's the time to ask. The mentorship is going to be on my Instagram. I'm going to be posting everything about it today. So if you guys want to learn from me, make sure you guys watch my Instagram stories today. I'll be posting about it. No, no questions, Team. And now we make our move lower. Nice. I really love watching this price action. I mean, it could bounce off a pre-market low. It's a possibility. But, you know, only one way to find out. It's possible, though. For sure. Also, Team Bull, I'm going to be dropping some mentorship information on my Instagram in a little bit, probably in like 30 minutes. But if you're not following the Instagram and you're interested in mentorship, BrandonTrades. I'll be posting about it here in a little bit. Russell is getting clapped. I don't care about it. Nothing good. Not clapped, but it's going down. No good trend entry. All right. Let's pick our winner for the 25K Lucid account. Let me double check that they actually gave it to me. Hold on. Coupon. Yep. All right. So I got the 25Ks. The pros. Let's do. I don't know. Type. I don't even know what to tell you guys to say. I don't know. Type bang in all caps in the chat, and I'll pick one person to win the 25K. Give you guys like 2 minutes to type bang. I mean, shorts don't look terrible on NQ. It's just so choppy. That's the issue. Give you guys 30 more seconds to type bang. When book map hits 7:30 right here, I'm gonna pick. All right. Close my eyes and pick somebody. I'm going to scroll to the top and just continue to scroll up and down. All right, ready? Looking this way. I'll even do this so you guys know I can't see. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. ANT Garcia 19. So Ant Garcia 19. Ant Garcia 19. So what you have to do, take a screenshot of your YouTube and send it to me on Instagram. Ant Garcia 19. And if you don't message me by the end of today, then we're going to be giving away 2 Lucid accounts tomorrow. So Ant Garcia 19. You are the winner. Message my Instagram, BrandonTrades. Oh my God. Chop, 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 chop. You know, I'm kind of surprised none of you have questions. Is everybody in here like profitable? You guys make millions of dollars a year trading? I'm assuming you have no questions. I like the pros. That's what I have to give away too, the Lucid Pro 25K accounts. What do you have? How can you message me? Do you have TikTok? You can message me on TikTok. Yeah, you're watching the barcode simulator. You know how to read barcode yet? Because I'll tell you exactly what this barcode means. You ready? This shit sucks. It's exactly what it says. This shit sucks. How much is in it? Low. 6K. 2 to 3, I'd say. I was trading 2 with a 5. Remember that small account I did last year? I opened a $500 account to trade futures with, and I doubled it like, what was it? A lot. I made 12K out of it. So whatever, how many ever times that is doubling it. But yeah. Literally just double it, pull the money out, double it, pull the money out. It's not hard. As long as you take good trades. And then actually you're not even risking the full 500 when you do it like that, because Trade of 8 will auto liquidate you at like 250 to 300 in your account. Or sorry, no. I think I doubled it 12 times. So 6K. I made 6K. I doubled it 12 times. That's what it was. I still think this NQ wants to go lower. But does that mean I'm going to take a trade based off of that? No. Kind of just sitting here chilling with you guys. Which bookmap option is best? It depends on what you trade. So like if you trade ES and NQ, then you want to go with CME data. If you trade gold, then you want to go with COMEX data. So it really depends on what you trade. And then I personally use Global and Global Plus, or I use Global Plus, but they have an option for Global. Global Plus just gives you the indicators. Global, you do not get indicators. If you want to sign up for bookmap, make sure to use that link right there. What market is my favorite to trade? One that doesn't go left or right and sideways. Preferably one that we shoot up to our key levels of supply and demand. But yeah. We already gave the account away. The amount of contracts that you would need for NQ to move the market is likely something that 99.9% of us will not be trading, especially with my own capital. Because I'll tell you what, I'm not ripping 10 NQs right now, ever, and that would only move it a quarter of a point. Not even. It's super weird. They're building houses like right behind mine, and I can like feel my desk like moving from whatever the hell they're doing over there. They're building like the foundation of the house right now and digging. Yeah. Am I in trouble? Is the house gonna come down? Psych. Still think this NQ one's lower. If you market ordered 50 contracts right now, you'd probably move it a few points. And then every single point you make or lose, let's see, 50 times 20 would be 1,000 points. So if it moved 2 points, you'd make $1,000. If you lose 5 points, you're going to lose $5,000. I really do think this wants to go lower, to be honest. But again, that doesn't mean I'm going to take a trade. I'm just trying to hold below that pre-market low. How much money do you have to put in an account, Mo? You're talking NQ, right? Not MNQ, NQ. How much money do you have to put in an account? You would need a lot of capital for that. For it to be $1,000 point, a lot. But hey, you just need one good trade and then you can retire for the year. Very, 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 very choppy. I mean, realistically, that's what the market offers every day is one setup. If we're being honest, one, maybe two. But yeah, typically it's like one, maybe two good setups a day. That's just realistic for the market. Did Jadon ever end up trimming? You said he took the shorts. Nice, still in. Fire. I hope it prints. We're trying to get below that pre-market low, and I mean, equally, it doesn't look bad. It's just, to me, is it super high probability? Not really, but we'll see. See what Mr. J Don can get. If it cracks this 30, he's Gucci. It's just very, very choppy today. ES does look like it wants to go lower though. Came up into that little imbalance that it had rejected off the 8 EMA. I mean, it doesn't look terrible. ES is setting a new low. It's trying to. See what happens if we bounce back up into the moving averages. Maybe in a like 50, we can see. Again, I like the downside. It's just very choppy. So we'll see. See what Mr. Market offers us. Let's see if they can come back up. Or not. Nope. Never mind. Did hold below that pre-market low multiple times though. Wouldn't be surprised if it pushes down to low a day now. It looks like it's going to. Still like the idea of shorts. Sweeping off of that previous low on ES. Actually, yes, is at that 30-minute or below. Maybe a break and retest. Trying to sweep off that low on ES. Felt a lot of buyers on that move down. What above that previous low? I want to see if we can break below the 30-minute orb on ES. Break and retest of it. And Q's trying to bounce back up. So we need to break below 71.80 on ES and close below it for this to be valid. And Q's coming back up. There's not a time frame on Bookmap. It's kind of just like where you scroll in and out of. So I have mine. You can see it's like every minute. So I guess like a minute time slice. Like you can choose them here. That's what they're called. But yeah, I just have mine zoomed in to like a minute, sometimes even 30. It just depends. All right, we're bouncing off that low now, everybody. That depends on you and your situation. No. What is that magic number? Really bouncing hard off of that 7180 pre-market low. Or current day low, sorry. Bruh. Back up into the 8 EMA. I actually think I'm gonna call it here, everybody. It's now at that cutoff window for when I will watch to take trades. So one trade today, 5-point loss. Again, pre-FOMC, smaller size until after that. So small loss overall in the day. But let's do it again tomorrow. If you guys are interested in the mentorship, I'll be posting about it on my Instagram literally in like 5 minutes. So make sure you guys are following. Again, BrandonTrades. Then as always, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you can use code Brandon, all caps. But other than that, everybody have an amazing day, Team Bull. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace. Same thing with you guys on the YouTube. If you guys are interested in mentorship, I'm going to be posting stuff on my Instagram, BrandonTrades, literally as soon as I hop off of here. All right, let's pick another winner real quick. Briggs 5538. Briggs 5538. So if that's you, again, Briggs 5538. Take take a screenshot of your YouTube and send it to me on Instagram, BrandonTrades. I'll get you a 25K Lucid account. But yeah, if you guys are interested in mentorship, BrandonTrades on Instagram. I'm posting on my story here in a few minutes. And then yeah, if you ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you can use code Brandon, all caps. Everybody have an amazing day, and I'll talk to everybody tomorrow.